I have 3 simple steps to help you learn new songs quicker by ear. I'll let you know what they are right now. The first thing that you need to do is identify the key of the song that you're working on. It'll help if you know your major and minor scales. If you don't know them yet, I have a tip for you that'll help you learn them quicker. I'll let you know what that is later in this video. But if you know the key of the song that you're working on, you're ready for the next step. The next thing that you should do is loop the song one section at a time. An easy way to do that is to use an app called the Amazing Slowdowner. So this app will actually let you play songs straight off of Spotify or Apple Music. You can slow things down, you can change the key, there's a whole bunch you can do. But the first thing you should do is listen to just a small portion of the song. Make sure that you've heard it enough times that you can sing it or hum it without needing any help. At this point, you should be able to bring out your saxophone and play along to what you've been hearing and singing along to all this time, especially if you were listening at a slower tempo. Once you've got that down, listen to the next few bars. Use the same process of listening to it slowly, singing it, and then playing it.
Living in a world where the grass is always green.
At this point, you've learned 2 small sections of the song. You can combine those 2 and then play through it all again. And you may have guessed it, but the third step is to keep learning new small sections of the song and combining them together until you've learned the entire song. So it's actually quite simple to learn new songs quickly by ear, but you need to know your major and minor scales in order to pull this off. So I made a video all about that. It teaches you your major and minor scales quickly. You can watch it by clicking that link right over there. So thanks, I'll see you next time.